Ganito maganda. Siguro 3 feet lang ito. Uy! 14! That's too big. 14.
I think it's just like
I'm only, let's say, 6 feet. So this that's taller than me. It's a bit warm.
Nalaway, halika. Oh, close it.
Careful lang. Bounce, bounce. If you go down, bounce, bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. You're not doing bounce, bounce, bounce. Yes. And now, try to do this. So here go. So go to the side. Look at me lang. This is the while nasa under the water ka, blow air sa mouth. And nasa slide, you do it how many times? Of course, hold your nose. And then when you go down in the water,
Ayaw ko lang. I want to go to the tunnel. Nana, ito. Let me take a video of me.
nice pala dito. You can,
Bounce,
you
bounce.
don't know. Bounce, bounce.
Bounce, bounce, bounce,
If you feel na off balance ka, you bounce.
bounce, 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 bounce. Dapat na